Hi guys, welcome back. Now we are creating a complete series of REST, REST Plus and serverless APIs in Python. So for testing any APIs, we need a application. So in this series, we are going to use Postman. In this particular video, we are going to see how we can install Postman in our local system. So let's get started. First, open the browser and open Google. Inside Google, we are going to search for Postman. And from the search result, we are going to hit on the first link, that is postman.com. So we will open that. After opening, this is the Postman website. So from the website, we are going to directly click on download so that we can download the Postman. The download button will take us to the download page for Postman. So our system is on Windows, so download Postman for Windows. So let's click on download. So I am using 64-bit operating system. So I am going to click on Windows 64-bit operating system. Now it will ask you for save the file. So click on save file. After completing the download, open the folder where your Postman you have downloaded Postman. So this is the folder. So from there, double click on that application. It will open the Postman installation window. This is showing that Postman is installed. Now it will ask you to create an account or sign up with Google. And if you have account, you can also sign in here. But why does you require this? If you are signing in here, you will get more means cloud access, so that you can save your APIs and document there. So for now, I am going to just skip this step. I will do it in next. And so I am going to skip and open the application. So this is our application, and from this application we are going to test our APIs. So what we are going to do, we are going to just click on create a request. So we have just jumped into create a request. So from this window you can see that these are the request types: get, post, put, patch, delete. These are the HTTP request type which we are going to use. Okay, so for now we are going to use a get request. So for the URL, I am just going to test my API what I have created now. So this is a hello world API. So let's send a request to this, and it will, yes, we get a response, that is message of hello world. This is how we are going to install and use Postman. So if you want any other post request, put request, then you can do it in your way. This is for now. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned to get all the notification in REST, REST Plus and serverless APIs with Python. Subscribe this channel to get notified. Thank you.